guys, it's Sejal. Welcome to another vlog. It's a Friday and मैं बस अभी बैठी हुई हूँ. आज थोड़ा chilled out day है. ज़्यादा मेरे को मैं कुछ शूट नहीं कर रही. मैंने यहाँ पे अपना ब्रेकफास्ट किया and it's a really nice day. थोड़ी ठंड होने लग गई है, so बहुत अच्छा लगता है when you sit outside and it's really good weather. So guys, as you guys know that I have been working on original songs, more original songs basically since the lockdown started. 2 of them are ready. They are properly ready. मेरे को बस उनकी वीडियो शूट करनी है and they'll be out for you guys to see. Oh my god. And I don't know, I'm so excited to tell you, like that's why I thought I'm just gonna vlog about it because I can't keep it in anymore. The first song जो है, that's a Hindi song and guys, this is the first song that I have written entirely on my own. I was sitting literally right here one day practicing something else. This is after my music class and I was randomly thinking about this really cute moment that happened between me and my randomly I took out my notes app and wrote down a couple of lines, played some chords, and in half an hour the song was done. And I remember I sent it to him and I was just like, dude, what do you think? And then he told me that, dude, I think this can be a real song. And then I was like, oh my god, okay, let me finish it. First person I sent the first song to is Say Hello to, this is Bharat and we know each other from school. It's really funny, every time I've posted a picture with Bharat or like in my story, like he's always wearing his mask. So we thought it's only fair that you should keep your mask on.
We were talking at like 5 o'clock and then at 7 you told me, oh dude, I just wrote a song. It's like, what? 2 hours ago? I had that feel good factor and my first reaction was like, dude, this is like, it makes your heart warm. Like, it just makes you feel like you're having like a cup of hot chocolate. And also that you're incredibly talented. Like, what the hell, dude? Like, that's kind of insane.
Thank you. Thanks, Bharat. I just like spent another 10 minutes on it, wrote down the rest of the lyrics and finished it. I sent it to Rohan Bhaiya, my brother, my friend Saptak, who's the producer, कि यार ये गाना अच्छा है कि नहीं, इसे मैं बनाऊँ कि नहीं, and everyone said just go for it. Next week I recorded the song and ting ting ting. अच्छा, okay, अच्छा second chorus में, okay, gotcha.
Oh, there's no bridge?
नहीं, I got lazy.
Make a bridge.
I don't want to make a bridge. But you have any ideas? अभी ये वाला करके 2 minutes 14 seconds आ रहा है. सेटअप बहुत cool है actually. सुबह हुई. My luxurious recording station, my cupboard. So it's so cute. So now we've come out in my garden of my colony because we're recording our lyric video, no, our acoustic video as well. And I thought let's just finish it all in one day. So I'm setting up the tripod and we're doing it on our own, no fancy camera work or anything. Oh, so we have to hurry up because the sun is setting. I'm kind of stressed now. Okay, Saptak, will you pretend to be me?
Because neither are you here nor is a chair.
And now it's ready. So abhi I'm in the process of planning the video and everything. This is my outfit today. I really like it. I feel like this is like Sejal on her Euro trip kind of feels. I'm wearing a scarf on my hair and this old necklace that I used to wear a lot and just random ghar ke kapde. Maybe I can do a video in which I show you guys like what I wear at home. Sat down to read my YouTube comments and go through analytics and stuff like that, and I want to do some like fun content for you guys, maybe some sketches, maybe some fashion videos, whatever. And today I'm actually uploading a really nice dance video. I've been creating a lot of content and posting consistently. Touch wood, I don't feel too much of the pressure and I don't feel like, you know, tensed and stressed and all, and I think that's because I've been meditating about the music video, right, for this song. So it's going to be called Khali Khali and I've literally written it like this on my notes app. I have lots of voice memos जो मैं ऐसी randomly गाते रहती हूँ and कुछ उसमें से अगर अच्छा बन जाए so I keep it. जो memory मेरे दिमाग में थी I kept that in mind and then wrote it. To shoot that video, I thought this is my biggest strength, the production of videos, the visualization of videos, and a lot of you appreciate that in my videos as well. What I do is I go on Pinterest and I took out a bunch of reference shots. And so my videographer Tushar, I instantly called him and I was like, dude, ये idea है और ये references हैं तो उस पे काम करते हैं. And then you know he said okay great, I'm on board. मैं भी थोड़े ideas दिमाग लगा के I'll get back to you. बस हमें shoot वगैरह plan करना है. So अब पता नहीं कब होगा shoot, it depends. I also have to find a cute guy for this video. Guys, please help. Actually, I mean I already have someone special in mind. I hope you guys love the song. Okay, I'm not even going to say I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys love it because I'm sure you guys will love it. And obviously another interesting thing is planning the outfits for the videos, and you guys know I love doing that. That's my favorite thing to do. So I thought, you know, the vibe of this video is very dreamy and pretty and everything. तो मैं पिछले 10 दिनों से Instagram scroll कर रही हूँ to find the perfect outfit, and I have found something really nice. But I have more confidence in myself because I think all my music lessons kind of coming together. So it is the next day. I have come out to in my building there's this little club kind of thing नीचे where there's a swimming pool and this music, because मुझसे घर पे बैठ के बिल्कुल काम नहीं हो पाता. Work from home मैं पिछले 5 साल से कर रही हूँ, जो पूरी दुनिया pandemic में कर रही है. And I realize I'm just a little more productive when I sit outside. And I was working on editing my video with Ashna Hegde. We basically did the outfit challenge, so this is all her footage. I'm looking for a really cute dog to be in the Khali Khali music video, and there's so many cute dogs in this colony and I keep looking at them like stalkers. को मम्मी ने बताया कि 2 दिन बाद करवा चौथ है.
मैंने पिछले 25 साल से करवा चौथ का व्रत नहीं रखा. I don't have to prove my love for my husband by just keeping up.
व्रत तो पहले मैं रखती थी, उसके बाद जो है दवाइयाँ वगैरह खाती रही, बीमार हो गई.
पापा से पूछो.
पापा ऐसे हो रहे. आप रखोगे फास्ट कभी?
हाँ मैं रख लूँ.
रखना भी चाहिए. संडे एंड संडे के दिन यूजुअली मेरी मॉम अपने चैनल के लिए वीडियो शूट करती है. तो आज दिवाली थीम वीडियो, इन्होंने मुझे सुबह उठा दिया कि चलो तैयार हो, आई नीड यू फॉर अ वीडियो. मैंने कहा ओके. कामों के लिए बुलाते हो कि खाना बनाओ, फिर उसके बाद 11 साल के बच्चे की एक्टिंग करो. आपका अभी तक आपको मजा आता है शूट करने में? मैं आपको क्या एडवाइस दे रही थी अभी?
That you need to be genuine. आपको वैसे ही बोलना है जैसे आप मुझे डांट लगाते हो, जैसे आप मुझे सिखाते हो वैसे ही बोलना है.
It is another day. My brother sent me this video of him playing. He plays the guitar, right? तो वो गिटार पे कुछ riffs बना रहे थे. He said कि तुम गाने में ये incorporate करके देखो. तो उन्होंने मुझे बहुत confuse कर दिया. So I called Saptak.
So we figured out the plan of action for now.
जब मैंने तेको फर्स्ट टाइम भेजा था ट्रैक अपनी वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग में, तो तेको कैसा लगा था? अच्छा, you can be honest, ठीक है? Don't be diplomatic and all.
All catchy melody थी, and in my professional opinion, it was quite easy to work with, and it's something that's very in right now. So I think it's a very smart choice also.
अरे मैंने तो कुछ सोचा ही नहीं था.
She's a phenomenal singer. In fact, she is better than a lot of professional singers that I have worked with.
Are you kidding?
I have worked with a ton of professional singers, but
Dude,
she really sings better than a lot of them.
Are you serious? Dude, you don't have to lie just because you're my friend or whatever.
The truth, hand to God that I don't believe in. It's the truth. Middle of the street and shout it out.
Oh, thanks, dude. So it's my friend Kathy's birthday today, and some things never change. I have come to her house early in the morning, and she's still making me wait because she's sleeping. She has been doing this with me since class 6. I've also made a card for her.
Firstly, it's cold coffee, not just coffee.
So Kathy, you're 26 today.
Firstly, I'm 25 today. You have come a day, 2 days in advance.
Arey yaar,
I think it's a really chill vibe. Like it's something like the day that we're having right now. Like we're just sitting, like ऐसे पेड़ों के नीचे.
अब तू मुझे illiterate बोलेगी क्या कभी?
I think it's very creative to be able to like write a song and then still doesn't mean you know what 25 looks like, and that still makes you illiterate.
Wednesday and the shoot is set. I am so happy. We're shooting on Sunday. Everything is set. मैंने तुषार से अभी भी बात करी, and we're going to have a small crew of 6 people to shoot a big ass video like this because हम proper cinema camera पे कर रहे हैं and अच्छे से set बना के करेंगे. 6 people is really less. everything is set. Fingers crossed, everything will happen. Today is a Friday. We're shooting day after tomorrow. This is so crazy. This is मैं basically अपनी nervousness release कर रही हूँ. So I mean, I've been getting a lot of comments that say, bring the old Sejal back. Bring the old Sejal back. I know everyone loves old Sejal. But unfortunately, Sejal now herself is old. And I think I will make a proper video like addressing this thing. Maybe, I don't know, you guys tell me. I started YouTube when I was 19, right? My first video, and now I'm 25 and हो गए हैं कुछ 50 साल जब से मैं videos बना रही हूँ consistently. And I feel like I'm growing as a person. My likes, dislikes have changed. I know I started out with making videos in Sarojini Nagar and you know वो पूरा style on a budget जो मेरा face था, क्योंकि actually उस time पे मुझे वो पसंद था and वो मेरा authentic self था. मैं literally अपना पूरा YouTube channel अपनी pocket money भी तो मुझे कभी मिलती नहीं थी, but random मैं जो भी मॉडलिंग जॉब्स करती थी उससे मैं चलाती थी अपना पूरा YouTube channel. And even at that time I always had this big dream that, you know, I want to be a big person one day like Priyanka Chopra or Deepika Padukone, and that dream still stands today. I feel after 5 years I'm 2 steps closer to that dream. और अब मैं बड़ी भी हो रही हूँ तो I'm exploring new sides to myself and I'm exploring, you know, things I like. Maybe I won't still spend like 100 rupees ki t-shirt and wear that 100 rupees ki t-shirt. It doesn't mean that I've changed as a person, or it doesn't mean that my level of hard work has changed. You know, when I see the comments, बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे on the channel who've been following the channel, me, it feels weird to say me, for 2 years, 3 years, and I think the reason you guys are probably still here is because maybe you connect with me as a person. Because यार मैं ना मेरे बहुत बड़े ड्रीम्स हैं लाइफ में, एंड यू गाइज नो हाउ आई स्टार्टेड. आई लिटरली ट्राइड एवरी फकिंग थिंग. लाइक इन कॉलेज आई ट्राइड ऑल माई सोसाइटीज. आई यूज्ड टू रैंडम मॉडलिंग गिग्स फॉर 1500 रुपीज, 2000 रुपीज, यू नो, ट्राइंग कि यार किसी तरह I can make my dream happen, because my parents are not from this background. They never understood. वो बहुत डरे रहते थे कि नहीं, you know, modeling and camera के सामने नहीं, बहुत scary है. But I knew that मेरे को किसी तरह करना है तो मैं खुद करती रहती थी. It's been a long journey since then, you know, and अभी भी मुझे figure out करना है कि मैं क्या करना चाहती हूँ आगे. That's why I'm trying different things. Like I'm just trying to follow my heart. अभी मेरे को गाने लिखने का मन कर रहा है, so I'm pursuing that along with my fashion and my skits and everything. I'm still as awkward as before. I still wear chappals, but I think I've grown a lot, you know, in terms of like my mental space and in terms of like just doing YouTube and just like running a business, right? मैं कभी भी ये नहीं चाहती कि someone comes to my page and they feel intimidated कि oh fuck dude, you know, Sejal is just like a show off and all she wants to do is show off about now she can buy things and now she lives in a fancy house etc. But I want to, you know, share that journey. इसलिए I make it a point कि मैं I share कि अगर मुझे anxiety हो रही है I will share it, and अगर मेरे मतलब if I'm going through a low phase I will share it, ताकि you guys who are probably, you know, wanting to start out, who are probably like, who have no idea how to start, can maybe see this as inspiration and start, you know, because meri puri journey is laid out in front of you. So if I, like random girl from DU, can do it, you can do it too. And that is literally the point, you know. I'm just trying to find myself, like I'm just trying to like find myself and just do things that make me happy, and in the process hopefully will make you happy too. Yeah, this whole bring the whole Sejal I think it's meme material, guys. So if you're meme makers, please make memes about it. And maybe I'll do one series called Bring the Old Sejal Back, and then do like, you know, some relatable content, like, which I'm down to do. You know, I want to go ahead in life, but I don't want to not tell you guys how I'm doing it, because it's cool. Like I really wish like Priyanka Chopra had a YouTube channel and she would like lay out how she did everything that she's doing. Matlab, it would be pretty helpful. That's what it is, guys. That's what it is. Bring old Sejal back. And also, like, I'm gonna shoot the video soon too, and I'm looking for a cute guy to be in the video. What do you think about that?
As long as he's allowed to wear a mask in the video.
So, are you gonna be in the video?
What? Seriously?
What?